Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to redeem your Rev Points in the Revolut app, and also how to disable the spare change feature if you no longer want to use it. Let's start with redeeming Rev Points. If you've been using Revolut regularly, chances are you've built up a nice balance of Rev Points. And the good news is, you can actually use those points for some pretty cool stuff. First, open up the Revolut app and tap on the Rev Points tab at the bottom of the screen. That's your main hub for tracking and using your points. Once you're in, you'll see different options for redemption. You can exchange Rev Points for airline miles through supported loyalty programs. You can use them for booking travel experiences or hotel stays through the Stays and Experiences section, or you can even get a discount at checkout by using Pay. Each method will walk you through a few simple steps. Just select the option you want. Connect any needed accounts like your airline loyalty program and choose how many points you'd like to redeem. Just make sure your names match across accounts to avoid any issues with the transfer. Now, let's talk about the spare change feature. This is a cool tool that rounds up your purchases and saves or converts that spare change into But if you don't want that running anymore, here's how to turn it off. Go back to the Rev Points screen, then tap Earn right under your points balance. From there, find and select Spare Change. At the bottom, you'll see the option. To deactivate, just tap that, and you're done. No more automatic roundups. And that's it. You now know how to make the most of your Rev Points and take control over how you earn them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more app tips and money tricks, and let me know in the comments how you're planning to use your points. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.